Okay, on Monday, the 5th of February, for hydrologic engineering, it was class number 12, but we didn't actually have a class lecture. That was the first midterm exam of the semester. So obviously, the students in the class took that. I hope they all did great. And for those of you who are following along in the course online, you won't be able to take the whole exam, but I thought maybe it'd be fun to show you the first question in case you wanted to give that a shot. Here's the first question. You can put your answer down in the comments, and the first person who gets it right, I'll mention that that's the correct answer. So a well produces 764 cubic meters per day, drawing water from a confined aquifer. It has an initial piezometric surface, which is 31 meters above the lower confining layer. The aquifer thickness is 18 meters, and the hydraulic conductivity of the soil in the aquifer is 0.00650 centimeters per second. The drawdown is 2.10 meters at a distance of 25 meters from the well. Then what is the drawdown at a distance of 65 meters from the well? So this is one of 10 questions. I think there was 4 problem-solving questions and 6 which were conceptual. You'll just get the first, so good luck, and we'll be back to a normal lecture on Wednesday.